Hi, I'm Klein with Vista Sotheby's International Realty, and this is my fabulous new listing, 501 Herondo Street, Unit 73 in Hermosa Beach. Come take a tour. Enjoy your life at the beach in this beautiful updated Hermosa Beach townhouse in the desirable mooring complex, which is conveniently located just a few blocks away from the Pacific Ocean, local shops, and restaurants. Your front door is just steps to the greenbelt chip trail that runs through Hermosa and Manhattan Beach. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, tri-level townhome offers a bright eat-in kitchen with new countertops. There is a powder room conveniently located on this floor. The spacious living room has an adjacent large dining area and a beautiful fireplace. Off of the living room is a private terrace where you can enjoy indoor, outdoor living and barbecues at the beach. The third floor has a skylight and features a spacious main bedroom suite with a bathroom and walk-in closet. Down the hall is a full bathroom and 2 nice-sized bedrooms with closet organization fixtures. This home has a partially enclosed first floor bonus room, which can be used as an office, gym, or a playroom. The pool and spa area have recently been renovated to give you that vacation feeling throughout the year. I hope you enjoyed your tour. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a showing, my contact information is at the end of this video.